Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby, and I am so excited because it is Fashion Box time. Fashion is a styling service where it's $20 and you don't have to subscribe. You just like order one whenever you want it. But their motto is better as I am. And I'm going to get comfortable here. And they will curate 5 items for you. They'll send you an email, the list of 7. You pick 5. If you don't pick 5, they'll put some more together for you and then ship you your box. So I will post my link in the description below if you're interested in trying it out. We each get a little bit when you use my link, but oh, let me show you. Sorry. Here's what it looks like. So self-love is the best love. You don't have to pay for the returns. They provide you the poly mailer. If you keep everything, you get 30% off, or if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get 15% off. So it's that 2-tier discount, which I love. And this has all of the information and the pricing in it. So I'm going to look at that a little later. But let's see what we got. It's a small box this time, so hopefully I'll be able to get my bundle out without it exploding like it always does, because I'm chubby and my clothes are big, you know? But here is, ooh, there's greens and a blue, red. There is a blue and white striped in here, and jeans. I am going to look and see, what did I request? I know I picked this, but I cannot remember. So I'm just going to read what she wrote. It's Courtney. Courtney's been my stylist the whole time, and she said, "Hey Elizabeth, get excited. Your fashion box has arrived. As requested, I included some spring dresses along with a versatile short sleeve top and 2 pairs of shorts for you to try. One is a denim pair and one is a dressier paper bag style." Ooh, I'll try it. The top I included can be dressed down with shorts or capris, or dressed up a bit with jeans for work. Super versatile. I will continue to keep an eye out for capris. I did ask for those, and crops. I hope you find some new pieces to add to your wardrobe, and feel free to request specific items in your box for next time if you wish. Please leave feedback on how everything fits. Enjoy, your stylist, Courtney. So let's just get into this cute little bundle. Okay, so up first, oh, it's a dress. It is very similar to a dress that they sent me in my last box that I kept, that kind of sagey green. This is by Geely. This is 2X. It's got a wrap front. It's a nice weight material, and it's just kind of a simple little bottom here on it. So that could work. I'm gonna have to look and see if it's too close to my last one now. Here is a blue top. This is also by Geely. It's a 1X. It's pretty simple. It's a nice material. It's got kind of a cuffed sleeve here. The color's great. I'll try it. I don't know if it's going to be super flattering, but we'll give it a shot. Up next, this is cute. This is red. This is by L Love. It's in a 2X. It is a dress. Cute little ruffle collar. It is long sleeves, but they're sheer. It's got a little bit of a balloon, I'm assuming, and then tiers at the bottom. Cute little red with blue flowers. I might like this one. This one might work. Red is a pretty decent color on me, so we will see. So these are the paper bag shorts. Okay, they're cute. They've got a tie waist, and they're navy and white, and stretchy waistband. I have a hard time with my knees. As I said in the last video, these are pretty short, and paper bag waist. So I will give them a shot. We'll see. Oh, and did I tell you who these are by? I did not, sorry. These are Ambiance approved. They're in a 3X. These are pretty small for a 3X, but I will try. Okay, these are big but adorable. Okay, these are my big but adorable. Okay, I'll get it together. Okay, they're really stretchy. They're Bermuda-ish length, maybe a little short for Bermudas, and they've got a little bit of distressing on it. So I don't have a top to wear with my bottoms. I'm just gonna grab a t-shirt that might match it and collect myself a little bit. Sorry. and I think I'm gonna try my dresses on first. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the first Geely dress. I'm not really a fan of it. It's a very, very muted green. I don't know if you can tell, with like some white and gray flowers. The bust is a little tight, and it's sewed, so it doesn't really go anywhere with the tie. The sleeves are kind of cute. They're just a little bit poofy here. The waist is a little snug. It's knee length. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the back. I just don't feel like it is different enough from the one that I bought the last time. I think it was from Fashion as well. It was the same kind of sagey green and like loose on the bottom. More of a baby doll style dress. But this I just don't think is doing it for me. So this one I think is going to go back. But what do you think? I mean, I have a little bit of a better undergarment on this time, but I think it's just too tight in general through the top. So here's the first one. I'm going to put the red dress on next, and then I'll move to the shorts. Okay, come on down on the prairie. This does not work for me. Concept is super cute. The color is cute. The sleeves are kind of cute. It's red with the blue and like a beigey flowers on it. V-neck is good. This ruffling, like, is it supposed to be? I'm not sure. And then it's got this other ruffle here, and then a ruffle at the bottom. Like, this just is not for me. Here's the back. I'm not entirely sure who this top part will look good on. If you have any suggestions on like who might be able to rock this, you know, please let me know. But this is definitely, this one's a no. It does not work. I showed Ben and I'm like, I'm not sure whose bust this fits on. And he goes, not yours. So I'm like, I agree. So this is a no. I'm going to try the paper bag shorts and the shirt. Wish me luck. Okay, so here's the shirt. Let's talk about it first. The sleeves are really tight underneath here. If the sleeves weren't so tight, I think it would work. The color is nice. The fabric is pretty nice. It would probably be pretty cool on summer day. Here's the back. It's a little bit kind of like that crinkly kind of fabric. It is a great kind of royal blue, open neck, but the sleeves underneath are too tight for me. So good try, but not for me. The shorts, on the other hand, are definitely a no. Do you all get this like extra material here? Like when I try to wear these silky kind of pants or shorts, I get so much material here. Plus these shorts are entirely too short for me. I am not comfortable. It does have a little tie. The material itself is nice. They're very lightweight. There's the back. Like, they fit, but they're too short and too gathered here, unintentionally. The top part of it, you know, cute little paper bag, maybe. I'm not sure. I can't do it. These are not comfortable on me, but I'm going to keep my shirt on and I'm going to try the shorts, and we'll see the jean shorts and we'll see how those work. I don't know. It's not looking great for me so far, this box. I'll be back. They lied. This company, Big But Adorable, these are a size and a half-ish bigger than what I would normally wear, and they are skin tight. Skin tight. So, and then, you know, they do that ride up. Cute in style, right? Good length to the knee, just above the knee. Here's what it looks like on the back. They've got the cute little, just subtle rips here. But I mean, good gravy. They're like skin tight. And I'm afraid the zipper does not feel like powerful. So I know I'm going to sit down and the zipper is going to split right open. I like the length. I like the little bit of distressing. I do not like how uncomfortably tight these are. So they are Big But Adorable company, but they are not proportioned for a big but adorable body. At least not mine. So I'm going to get dressed back in my comfy clothes and talk about the prices in case you found something in here that you love and want to try out. And I'll meet you back in a minute. Okay, so that one was a disappointment. I'm going to try not to get too down on myself because clothes are supposed to be made to fit my body. My body is not supposed to fit into clothes. Keep saying that to myself. I might believe it one day. But let's talk about what they are, how much they cost, and the discounts and stuff. So let's start with the distress shorts. These are $38.25. No, I lied. They're $45. If I kept 3 or 4 items, it would be $38.25, and if I kept the whole box, it would be $31.50. Which for shorts is great, but I feel like the zipper on this would just bust wide open. So that, probably not. The Blue Age striped shorts are $42, $35.70 if I keep 3 or 4. If I keep the whole box, it's $29.40, which is a great price for shorts. Some of you, I mean, if you feel like you could rock this, they're great. They're super lightweight. The material is great. They got a cute little tie, the paper bag top. It just, my body shape does not work for this kind of bottom. The shirt, this is the Geely Plus roll sleeve top. It's $48. With a 15% off discount, it's $40.80, and with the whole box discount, $33.60. Which, you know, it's a nice weight, well-made top. Excuse me, it's just too tight underneath my armpits. The red, the red Little House on the Prairie. I mean, Elle Love Mona Floral Ruffle Dress, $58, which for a line dress is not bad. It is $49.30 with the 15% discount and $40.60 if I kept the whole box, which really, this is, you know, not for me, but it could be for somebody else as a great kind of work piece and date piece for the spring and the fall. And then the last one is Geely Plus Short Sleeve Faux Wrap Dress, $68. It's $57.80. And then the 30% is $47.60. And this is really cute. It's just a little bit too snug on me, but it would look really, really cute on some of you, I'm sure. So the whole box is $261. If I kept everything, it would be $78.30 off, which is $182.70, which for 5 items is a pretty good price. Unfortunately, I am not going to keep anything in this box. It is all going to go back, but I am going to tell Courtney, my stylist, you know, keep trying. She's doing a good job. I am, fall and winter, I feel like with sweaters and jeans and kind of bulkier clothes, I am more all in with those and sort of less picky. But with spring and summer, where they're lighter and shorter, and I'm just super picky. So this was a miss for me. But tell me what your favorite was and what you could see yourself wearing. And let me know if you try Fashion and how do you like it. Like I said, if you want to give it a try and have it, I'll put my link in the description box below. And I'd love if you subscribed and gave me a thumbs up, and we can just chat. I do, you know, I'm a 40-year-old plus lady who's chubby and lives in the suburbs, and you know, I'm not a fashionista, I'm not a makeup guru. I like my family, I like my friends, I like a good book, I like a glass of wine every now and then, and a really good cup of coffee. So if it sounds like you, please join me, and I will talk to you soon.